Jesus, guide my words for the ones that never heard this. Open up the ears of the ones that need to learn this. My number one concern is we're living in a furnace. The less we try to change, the more it's gonna burn us.
Today I'm going to be making a t-shirt for a buddy of mine. He drew this Charizard from Pokemon. And I'm going to try to draw it, try to print it. Get it pretty much centered on here. That's his signature right there. So what kind of screen I want to use. Oh, 156 should be good. Yeah, it looks pretty good on there. A little spot right here on the screen. I don't know what that is. But this is my first time using this, so I don't know what my exposure time or anything is right now. So I hate to say it this way, but I'm gonna have to wing it at first. I'm gonna start with like 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to find somewhere to put this camera so I can put this foam on. I may need to cut this foam down some more. I bought this from a guy who did shirts for his church. And he said he had no idea what he was doing at all. And you can see like this foam isn't fitting. It's like a half inch too long. I'm gonna cut this foam and I'll start back videoing. Alright, I got the foam cut down some now. You can see it fits inside the screen in all four corners. I'm gonna use this aluminum pallet as a weight. I'm sorry for the mess, guys. I hadn't had time to finish cleaning everything up yet. Let's see. I think that'll be just fine. Okay, so like I said, I don't know what I'm doing on this thing yet, so I'm gonna go to 5 minutes. See what that does. It's just the regular Ryonet bulbs. So we're gonna let that expose for about 5 minutes. Yeah. So the backstory of all this is I do want to get another vehicle to work on. And also that my other screen print equipment just took up too much space for the amount of work I do. I don't do a whole lot. So I felt it was best for me to just go and get rid of all that stuff and do something smaller. And this right here just fit perfect on my desk. On top of opening up some free room. And again, like I said, I'm sorry for the mess. I was building this little ghetto screen box. And the reason I was building it was because I already had this table, and all I did was build a 2x4 frame with supports, and I cut some 2x4s in for the screens to sit on. I just covered it in house insulation, and then, like I said, I had the hole in the back. I just cut it just big enough for that fan to slide in, and it works great. I used it yesterday and dried all the screens up, no problem. And that probably cost me maybe 20-30 bucks to build because I already had all that wood over here. So it was an easy win for me. The washout booth, I know you guys remember me having that big tote. Well, the guy I sold my stuff to, I mean, he literally got everything from the shelves to everything. I built this washout booth out of this was a $40, I believe, utility sink from Lowe's. And I used this little corrugated plastic board as a backing. And all I did was fold it in the corners, overlapped it in the center, and I just popped a couple screws in it, and it works great. I cleaned a bunch of screens because I bought the screens from the guy too, and it was all just filthy, caked on ink. I mean, it was ridiculous. But I did get a lot of ink with it. A lot of ink and emulsion and a bunch of cleaning supplies. Ink removers, degraders, spot blot remover, even the original Ryonet 101 basic DVD. Got a flash dryer, a 4-color, one platinum press. This doesn't have micros, but I mean, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. When I did it with my big cat's press, I rarely used micros. Once you get your alignment set on your exposure unit pretty good, you rarely going to use your micros. I mean, you might need a little side-to-side shimmy, but a little screen tap will fix that. But that's just me. People may be disagreeing with me, but it is what it is. These are all the shirts I've gotten since I reordered some. I got green, red, and orange right now for a couple orders. As far as the truck goes, the truck, I'm rewiring all the power and grounds because it's having issues of starting, and it's not the starter relay, and I replaced the starter. So only thing I figure is the power wire from being cut so many times or not enough ground. So I'm rewiring everything so I don't have to deal with it no more. But yeah, all right, just a quick little update for you guys. You see this says 5 minutes, or maybe you don't see it. I don't know, but it's set for 5 minutes. It went off at 4 minutes and 16 seconds by my phone. So I don't know how that is, but we'll see how this does. Give it a little flippy flip. Let me get this washed out real quick and I'll video again. It's kind of hard one hand. It washed out good, but that's not really it didn't blow out there. That's just how the drawing is. But I think it could do a little bit longer because I feel like, yeah, it washed out good, but I feel like it was washed out a little too easy, if that makes any sense. But yeah. So this will be my first time ever using this lava wheel flex ink. We'll see how it does. That'd be pretty awesome if it works great. Find a way to prop this here camera up for you. See how this turns out. Get a camera full of ink. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Let's see. Maybe? This shelf's rocking so bad, just see my camera falling right into blue ink. So this is how his shirt turned out. I think it turned out pretty cool. But yeah, I figured I'd do a quick video, let you guys see what I've been up to. I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. It's because I've been selling this stuff for Raging Move and stuff, you know. Working on this truck, stuff, you know, I can't really make videos too much about. You want to watch somebody move so many things at once. But yeah, hope you guys are doing great, having a blessed day. I know we got a lot of turmoil going on due to the election and stuff like that, but can't let stuff like that bother you, man. Nobody out there don't really look out for you but yourself, so keep that in mind. God bless, guys.
Walk the wrong place, man. Wear the wrong colors. Make the wrong face, man. Duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man. Hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle. Meant for another.